Hello, welcome to the course Introduction to Austrian Economics. In this short video clip, I will give you an overview of what we will treat in the first lecture, The Rise of the Austrian School. Thank you for your participation. What we will study. We begin with the School of Salamanca, which actually rose to prominence in the 16th and 17th century, but was largely forgotten thereafter, although it had made important contribution, and in a certain way we could say that the classical economics of the late 18th century was a kind of regression compared to the School of Salamanca. Then we will move on to the founder of the Austrian school proper, Karl Menger, and his foundational contributions. One of the authors who has broadly developed Austrian economics in a strict sense and has made many major contributions is Eugen von Böhm-Bawerk. Most known nowadays is as the doyen of the Austrian school, Ludwig von Mises, with his indispensable contribution to the advancement of the Austrian School of Economics. Finally, we close with Friedrich von Hayek, who made contributions, in fact, that go beyond the Austrian School of Economics proper, but also reach philosophy, sociology, business management, social interaction, spontaneous order, constitutional economics, and much more. Enjoy.